we are going to open with another gap to the upside, and overnight inventory is again 100% long. Maybe not again, but it is. It started as a P shape, and after the data came, we spiked higher, holding some of this move, so quite positive reaction, and we will start with big gap. So I will be monitoring if half of the gap fills. It will be this area, and I will be looking to enter longs to clean the overnight high. However, if we slice through the value from overnight, then the chances are the gap will be filled. Here is a small area that can also be interesting if we try to trade lower and, for example, fail just cleaning those lows and fail to fill the gap. It would be an opportunity to enter longs. Similar if we fill the gap and then the selling shuts off, either from the gap directly or after rejecting around settle, then it's another possibility to enter longs. It will be very crucial to see how we reach those areas. So if we start one time framing lower, then of course it is not a good long, but if we, for example, trade lower and bounce from those areas and then dip lower and come back, then I'd like to see myself trading to the long side. If we break above overnight high and come back quickly, this is pretty much only scenario to be short as of now, because we can also break higher, test overnight highs, and then trade even higher. I'm not sure I will be able to trade this one, but later in the session, if we start building acceptance around yesterday's high, maybe trading back within yesterday's range, yesterday's value, then I'd like to see myself trading against yesterday's high to get back through the value from yesterday. I'm not sure if this reference is going to be most important to the downside. Is M period low. It's also around spike base from 2 days ago, but below that there is not much for us to trade yesterday's lows, and given tight ranges we've made last few days, expected ranges around 24 points, so we might exceed this today with a more explosive move, but I'm not sure. For now, nothing tells me that we will break stronger, and if we trade through this range without stopping around point of control, so this is the only way I should switch my thinking from small place to possible bigger trade, or stop catching falling knife, basically. Other than that, I think that we might see us balancing higher, with value migrating higher again. And that's pretty much it for today.